Construction at V Suites continues steadily, with strong momentum across structural and finishing works. Basement, ground floor, all podium levels, and levels 1 through to 8 are now 100% complete, with vertical elements between levels 8 and 9 complete and level 9 at 66%. Block work is 98% on level 1 and 95% on levels 2 through to 4, while plastering is 90% in the basement and 60% across podium levels. MEP and ceiling works are advancing steadily. V Suites by ANAX moves forward with clarity, control, and delivery confidence. Executive living taking shape.